At a function held on the 16th of December 2021, the MLA of 18 West Shillong constituency, Mohendro Rapsang, had personally donated 3 sets of computer systems for administrative use by the Nepali Kanya Pathshala Secondary School, Upper Mauprem, Shillong. Those present during the event included Principal of the school, P. Thapa, invitees, teachers, students, and others. Addressing the gathering, Mohendro Rapsang expressed his gratitude to teachers who he says are the backbone of the future of students. The Congress MLA further stated that health, education, and availability of basic necessities have always been his priority, and therefore it is his dream to get these to the people, as it is their right to avail of such amenities. Rapsang also assured the school management that during the start of the next school session, he would make sure that the computer laboratory of the school is well equipped so as to ensure upgraded and better computer-aided learning to the students of the school.
This has to happen because this will be part of the management work and this and that regarding the computer in your school. But for your lab, for your education, you should have a very, very good computer lab. And I'm sure, but I promise you that I'm telling the headmaster, I'm telling so also, by first session of the next year of the school, you'll have a full computer lab. So that will benefit the students. That I'm assuring you. My next step is whatever requirement in the school we have been discussing long time. See, my motto to be a MLA, my dream is to see that each and every student they get a full education. My priority in my life, my priority as a representative is nothing but one is education, number 2 is health, and number 3 is the basic amenities which each and every citizen has got the right to get. That is my aim, that is my fight, always, all the time during the session which has been discussed in the House. These are the fights, these are the things which I've been discussing all the time in the Assembly. But I hope that all these basic amenities, the education, the health, that each and every citizen is the right they should get. I am sure that by the next 10 years, we will see a bright Shillong, we will see a good city, good Meghalaya, with the help of these young generations to come up, where you will work for the state, you will work for the family, you will work for the country as a whole.